Let's review how to go live from your phone. So you go on the Facebook Pages Manager app. So I'm on my phone, that orange flag, I click it. Then I go on my business page and I click on Publish. On Publish, I go under Live Video. Okay, live video. On the top left, you have two things. You have the camera. You can go from the front camera or the back camera. So selfie mode, or you can go back and forth. Okay, so this is how you go. You also have a flash. So the flash, if you click on it, it's not gonna be a bright flash. It's just gonna be increasing the light. So I actually quite like using the flash for a live recording, okay? The other thing you have to think about is, am I gonna be shooting vertical because I want it to be mobile friendly and I wanna repurpose maybe this video for Instagram? Or do I want, which most time it's kind of better for Facebook to shoot horizontal, because if you shoot horizontal, you'll be able to download the video and then put it back on Facebook and then put it on YouTube and so on. But if you just want to have it more mobile friendly, then it would be vertical. It's kind of up to you. Okay, what else is there? I want you to look at the left of the screen. There is description and there's the masks. The masks are like filters, so you can add funny filters and so on. This can be really distractive when you're filming. So I want you to go at the top right of your screen. You'll see a white circle with a down facing arrow. You click that to make those masks, those filters disappear, so you don't have to look at them anymore. I always put a little sticker next to the eye of my camera. So right now I'm looking at you. Instead, if I was looking at myself, my eyes are the wrong way, right? So look at the camera, at the eye of the camera. And then you want to add a short description. You don't have to go crazy with the description, because once your live video is saved to your desktop, once you're done, if you decide to publish it, it's going to be saved to your desktop. And once it's on your desktop, you can always click three little dots and edit the text, add a call to action, add links to your website and so on. But it's good to have a little description once you get going. So this is trick. You click tab to add description, and then on the bottom left you see there's a little microphone. So I like to click the microphone. Oop. Click done. That's it. See, it was easy. So that's an easy way to that. Then you're ready to go live. So I'm gonna go for a quick live, and then I'm gonna show you what you can do with your live video, because you can save it right away, and that saves a lot of trouble. So this is what you can do. So you go live, press the live button, starting live video. So now I'm live. You see in the top left, it says I'm officially live. And what is great is then when you're recording live, at the bottom left, you can go back and forth with the camera like this. So especially if you're real estate, that's great, because you can talk about what you're seeing and so on. You have a magic one where you have some of your filters that we had before, and then you have your flash still, and then you have your viewers, and then you can ask people if they want to join you, and then comments and so on. So that's all up at the bottom, okay? And then once you're done your live video, you click finish, and pay attention to that part. So I click finish, ending live video. Now check this out, okay? This is where you have the option to delete your live video if you don't want to keep it, share it, which means you're going to be posting it to your Facebook business page, or you can save it. If you save it, where is it gonna go? It's gonna go to your camera roll. It means that you will have that live video that you'll be able to edit and repurpose, okay? So you can save it, you can delete it, or you can share it on your Facebook business page. For now, I'm gonna delete it because I'm not gonna use it, but these are your options, okay? What I want you to do is to make sure you watch my other video on how to download from desktop and iPad and edit. Okay, take care.